Next, we will demonstrate an assembly on the bracket. First, when receiving the goods, it is all left and right brackets. It is separate. These two are on the left and right. Then there is one in the middle. For bottles, there are 3 brackets in total. Okay, let's show you how to do it. Assemble. Then first, we need to prepare a Phillips screwdriver and a socket. What about this socket? Here. Let me show you. Here is a sleeve of GN. Okay, let's unscrew the nut before assembling. Okay, let's continue. Well, after removing this, what about? Let's compare. It's on the bracket. When we assemble, it looks like this. How to compare? Let's demonstrate it here. Okay, let's continue. After removing it here, let's compare it. It's on the bracket. When we assembled it, it looks like this. How to compare it? Let's demonstrate it here. Okay, let's continue with the assembly. If you look at it this way, our side, that is, the left side, my position, the left side is for our black. Then the black part is position. There is a concave surface. This concave surface, it is close to the bottom of this bracket. Because our normal bracket, it is assembled like this, so that it can stick to our bottom. After these 2 screws are put on, just tighten it with a knot. Then tighten it with the prepared socket. Well, one of ours is installed now. The middle position. Then this is the middle one. Same here. First unscrew these 2 black nuts. Put it on like this. Then reverse the holes and align them. Then tighten the nut. Then tighten it. Okay, let's install the same here. This is what it looks like after it's assembled. Then look at it the other way around. Then we'll install the bracket on the host. 4 screws are needed to fix it. The bracket is connected to the host. We install the screws diagonally first. Okay, after fixing it like this, we can let go, then screw on the other 2. Finally, tighten all the screws. Okay, this is one step of our back bracket. Then the left and right brackets on both sides. We have these 2 pro brackets. This is how it is assembled. We can see here, the curved side. It is facing the curved door. The direction of the chassis. After we know this, we will directly proceed to just screw it in. It has 3 screws in total. Then we install the other side. Then the assembly is complete. This is the machine. The bracket is installed. A complete look.